Hello everyone, welcome back to Autotrend TV. I'm your Viprajesh again, and in this video I would like to talk about the top 10 most fuel efficient BS6 diesel cars in India. Maruti Suzuki has been the champion of fuel efficiency, be it the petrol or the diesel segment. With the implementation of the most stringent BS6 emission norms, Maruti Suzuki, Renault and Nissan have discontinued their diesel lineup. This has resulted in new contenders making their way into this top 10 diesel efficiency list. At the 10th place is the Ford EcoSport with the 1.5-litre 4-cylinder 100 horsepower turbo diesel engine, which has a claimed efficiency figure of 21.7 km per litre. Although being quite a heavy compact SUV, the EcoSport beats the new Hyundai Creta by 0.3 km per litre and makes its way into the top 10 list. The 9th place goes to the Tata Nexon BS6 with a claimed efficiency figure of 22.4 km per litre. The Tata Nexon diesel is available with a 1.5-litre Revotorq 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine which can produce up to 110 horsepower and a torque figure of 260 Nm through a 6-speed manual or an AMT gearbox. The party trick of the Tata Nexon is the availability of multiple drive modes, namely the City, Economy and Sport modes, with the Economy mode delivering the maximum efficiency. Next is the Hyundai Venue with a claimed efficiency figure of 23.3 km per litre. The BS6 Hyundai Venue is available with a brand new 1.5-litre 4-cylinder CRDI turbo diesel engine with a maximum power output of 100 horsepower and a torque figure of 240 Nm paired to a 6-speed manual transmission. Though the efficiency figure of this BS6 diesel is 0.4 km per litre lesser than the now discontinued 90 horsepower 1.4-litre CRDI engine, the Hyundai Venue is the most affordable and most efficient diesel compact SUV available in India. At 7th place is the Ford Freestyle Cross Hatchback, which has an efficiency figure of 23.8 km per litre. The Ford Freestyle is available with the very same 1.5-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine which can produce up to 100 horsepower and a torque figure of 215 Nm through a 5-speed manual transmission. With this diesel engine, the Freestyle is both fun to drive and easy on the pocket. After the Ford Freestyle, it is the Ford Figo and the Aspire at the 6th place, with a claimed efficiency figure of 24.4 km per litre. Employing the same 1.5-litre 100 horsepower turbo diesel engine, the Figo and the Aspire are marginally fuel efficient than the Freestyle due to their lower stance and better aerodynamics. At the 5th place is the Honda Amaze with a claimed efficiency figure of 24.7 km per litre. The Honda Amaze comes with a 1.5-litre BS6 compliant 4-cylinder 100 horsepower diesel engine mated to a 5-speed manual transmission or a CVT automatic transmission. The manual transmission variants provide the higher efficiency, while the CVT automatic transmission provides a figure of 21 km per litre. The Honda Amaze diesel is the second most efficient compact sedan by a margin of 0.3 km per litre. The big surprise at the 4th place is the newly updated, facelifted Hyundai Verna. Until the next-gen Honda City goes on sale with the diesel engine, the Hyundai Verna will be the only diesel mid-size sedan available. The new facelifted Hyundai Verna comes with an updated 1.5-litre 4-cylinder CRDI diesel engine carried over from the new Hyundai Creta and produces 115 horsepower through a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission. It is the manual transmission variants which provide 25 km per litre, while the torque converter automatic transmission provides 21.3 km per litre. After the Hyundai Verna, at the 3rd place is the Hyundai Grand i10 Nios, with a claimed efficiency figure of 25.1 km per litre. The Grand i10 Nios's 1.2-litre U2 CRDI 3-cylinder turbo diesel engine is the smallest diesel engine available in India and produces 75 horsepower. The Nios diesel is available with both a 5-speed manual and AMT transmission. While the Grand i10 Nios diesel is the most fuel-efficient diesel hatchback in its class, it misses out on the title of the most fuel-efficient hatchback by 0.01 km per litre to the Tata Altroz. Yes, the second place goes to the Tata Altroz with a claimed efficiency figure of 25.11 km per litre. The Tata Altroz comes with a detuned version of the Nexon's 1.5-litre Revotorq 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, which produces 90 horsepower mated to a 5-speed manual transmission. The Tata Altroz diesel seems like a great highway cruiser with a torque figure of 200 Nm and a great economic figure. Until the BS6 Honda Jazz diesel and the brand new Hyundai i20 diesel arrive, the Tata Altroz is the only diesel-powered premium hatchback in the market. With the discontinuation of the Maruti Suzuki Dzire diesel, the title of the most efficient diesel car in India goes to the Hyundai Aura, with the claimed efficiency figure of 25.4 km per litre. Though the Aura carries forward the exact same engine and transmission options from the Grand i10 Nios, the more aerodynamic and smoother shape of the Hyundai Aura aids its efficiency. Interestingly, it is the diesel AMT variant which has this 25.4 km per litre certification, while the diesel manual gets a figure of 25.35 km per litre. Apart from fuel economy, the Hyundai Aura has advantages such as a spacious cabin, great quality interiors, and a long list of features. So that was all about the top 10 most efficient diesel BS6 cars in India today. Do let me know in the comment section below what is the maximum efficiency you have achieved in your diesel car. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.